Today, which by the way is a special day, I'm going to share with you some very important things that most people will not talk about, because for them, if they talk about such things, they will lose sales. But I'm going to talk about them anyway, because I know those are the things that will take your business to the next level. It's going to be special because I'm going to share with you some very important information that I wish I knew when I was starting my journey to become an expert in online business creation in general and an expert in affiliate marketing to be specific. So if you want to know what are those things that I wish I knew when I was starting my journey as an affiliate marketer, it's coming up. Hi, my name is VK. I'm the founder of Will Village Academy. In this video, I'm going to talk about some very specific things, as I just said, that I wish I knew when I was starting my journey as an affiliate marketer. But before I jump into the video, go down and do me the favor to like, share, and subscribe to let me know that you want more content like this one on my channel. With that said, let's jump into the video. You've heard about business opportunities. You've heard about possibilities that you can stay home and start making money on the internet. You are excited and you want to jump into this. This is fine. This is okay. You can do it. And the most popular way to start making money on the internet is to become an affiliate marketer. Until this day, people don't still believe that there's a business model called affiliate marketing that they can start, stay at home, and start making decent money working on the internet. If you go to walmart.com and buy something, or you go to ebay.com or bestbuy.com to buy something, maybe you will not experience what I'm going to say. But if you go on YouTube, if you go on Google or Bing and you search for a product online and you click on a link to go buy that product, chances are you click on an affiliate link, and when you buy the product, that person, the person who put the link or the page or the website over there, is going to earn a commission on the money that you paid for the product. It doesn't add any cost to you. It's just that the product owner is paying the person who referred the customer to them. So this is how affiliate marketing works. If you want to build an affiliate marketing business on the internet, this is the first thing that you have to keep in mind. It's not as simple as you think. You may have heard, you may have seen people who will show you money, who will show you cash, money that they've earned working online. To attract you, to convince you to buy their product, they will make it look simple. Of course, the process to build an affiliate marketing business is simple, but building a successful affiliate marketing business is not as simple as you think. It takes work, it takes time, it takes commitment. You have to dedicate yourself to the job. So don't fool yourself. If you want to start an affiliate marketing business, it's simple, the process, but keep in mind, it's not as simple as you think. Here is the second one most people will not talk about, which kind of relate to the first point. Do not wait for instant gratification. Waiting for instant gratification when doing something is like waiting for instant results. And starting an online business, starting an affiliate marketing business, a successful one, will not start making you money overnight. It doesn't happen that way. It takes time, and anything that you will be doing to build your business on the internet, keep in mind that you are doing it to have results in the future. It may not be in 2 weeks. It may not be in 1 month time. It may not be in 4 months from now. But you have to commit yourself. You have to keep doing this until you have success. Those who are successful with their online businesses are those who believe in delayed gratification. They create content, they build their businesses, and they are not waiting for it to generate any revenue right now, but they are waiting for the business to explode in the future. Here is the third one that you have to keep in mind. Do not run paid advertising before you know what you are doing. Running paid ads can take your business to the next level, but if you don't know what you are doing, running ads will quickly finish your money. You will burn all your money in Facebook ads or Google ads, get discouraged, and what you will do next is to give up. I've been there, I've done that. If you go to my website, focusonwinners.com, and you go to the About Us page, I explained to you how I lost $2,695 on Facebook ads, $315 on Google ads in my first year, and $6,017 in my second year, but I succeeded in making $2,492 back. But I still lost in that year, the second year, $3,500 on paid ads. It's only today that I can see what I was doing wrong. And here is the lesson again: if you don't know what you are doing, do not run paid ads. The next one that I learned in the hard way is that you have to take action 10 times what you are doing right now. When you hear those online marketers, which include me, of course, they will say something like, start working from home using your laptop or your phone and quit your 9-to-5 job. And they make it look easy. You think that if you jump into that business model, you will not be doing a lot of work to make a lot of money. But the reality is, the more action you take, the more money you will be able to make. I don't know what you are doing right now. I don't know if you are creating content on a website, if you are blogging, or I don't know if you are creating videos on YouTube like I'm doing it right now. But if your plan is to create a blog post and you plan to create 2 blog posts per week, double that and start posting 4 blog posts in a week. Or if you are on YouTube and you are making videos and your plan is to make 2 or 3 videos per week, double that as well and start making 4 to 6 videos in a week. And you will see that your success will come even faster than you think. So, do you want to start your online business? A business that will take your life to the next level? Get ready to take massive action. Because if people are talking about secrets, a secret that took their businesses to the next level, I will tell you there's no secret in this. What will take your business to the next level is to create content, and to create content on a consistent basis, which will take me to the next point. If you want to be successful online, focus on just one marketing strategy. There is me telling you that, but back in the day when I was starting my online business, you will see me all over the place. You will see me on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on LinkedIn. And I also have a website on which I post blogs. But at the end of the day, I started saying things like, wait, this is too complicated. This is too much. And I couldn't keep up with that. That's too much. Today, I focus on 2 marketing strategies: blogging and making videos. But if you are starting, if you are just a beginner, I recommend you focus on just one thing at a time. I'm personally doing this because sometimes I can write a blog post and take some part of the blog post and make video about it. Or I can make a video and take that same topic and go write a blog post about the topic. And that's if you know what you are doing. If you are a beginner and you love writing, just focus on writing blogs. But if you find yourself comfortable in front of the camera, focus on making videos. And don't switch to anything else until your business is making you 10,000 a month. These are the things I didn't know when I was starting this journey to become an affiliate marketer, and I wasted a lot of time, which I don't want to happen to you. I'm saying all this because I suppose that you already have a business. You already have a business that you are promoting on the internet. But in case you don't have any business yet, in case you are just hearing about the opportunity that you can stay home and start making money online, I've met some good guys on the internet, and having access to their platform, having access to their courses took my business to the next level. And I want to share that with you. The link will be in the description of this video, and it will say something like, here is my #1 recommendation to make full-time income online. If you click on that link, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. You will go to a page where I will ask for your email address, because I will send you the link to download my new book, Simple Steps to a Six-Figure Business with Affiliate Marketing. You will download that book for free, and when you enter your email and you go to the thank you page, you will be able to watch a video in which I will explain in details what the business is about. So if you want to build a successful affiliate business online, make sure to click on that link, and I will see you on the next page. This is what I want to share with you today. If you like the video, go down and like it, share it, and subscribe to let me know that you want more of this. This is VK from Will Village Academy. I will see you in the next video.